Good morning, beautiful world. Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute, but quarantine edition. Today, me and the fellas are going to Twin River in Rhode Island. So we're just gonna do a little cruise, hang out there, and yeah, you'll see what's happening if you keep on watching this vlog. So stay tuned. Just waiting for Eddie and Mike at the moment to arrive at the crib, so stay tuned. Look who arrived. Good morning. What's up?
You doing a vlog?
Yes, sir. We're vlogging.
Yeah.
We're live. We're waiting for Eddie now, but yeah, I'm almost ready.
Okay.
All right.
20 minutes later.
Jesus. Why you late? Why you late, bitch?
You got one?
No, I got one.
Okay.
But all right. Open your trunk.
What the fuck is this?
I'm selling my PS4 today, that's why. But why you always late? But
Just open it. There's a
anyways, we are going to Ed's house, so BRB. In other news, we have about, focus, 12 miles left.
At the lot, brother.
Oh yeah, this dude didn't fill up gas, but we're gonna go get gas. Yeet. Whole squadron is here. Just making a little pit stop, and then we're gonna go getting our money for the casino, Twin Rivers, and yeah, we're ready to win some money. We're gonna win money today at Twin River today, right?
Yeah. With a car.
Dude, focus.
Tell the guy we'll be late 10:30. He'll probably be like, oh thank God I didn't even leave my house yet.
Yeah, we're leaving now. I guess we're going to Twin River right now.
9:52 a.m.
We're supposed to meet somebody. We're gambling with somebody at 10 a.m. We're gonna be late. It's what time is it? 9:50. Where's the clock?
9:52 a.m.
9:52. But it is what it is. I told him we're gonna be late, but he gotta wait. All right, peace.
Hopefully.
Policia. Yo, look at this ghetto ass music. This dude doesn't have radio.
I do have radio. It's just the sound system is not that good.
He doesn't have an aux cord. So JBL. Oh, that's not JBL. What is it?
UE.
UE.
UE boom.
The fellas in the back.
We have a McLaren all the way in the back and a state popo on the left lane.
But
I'll put cruise control on.
30 minutes left. Keep on going. Talk to you in a bit.
1 hour later.
Yo, so I didn't really vlog earlier, but we were at Twin River. Say hi to Chris. But here is the big reveal. We got a new car, and the homies helped me. Yeah. They helped me pick it up. And yeah, whole gang's here. We are currently, I think, downtown Providence, around Brown University, and we're gonna go get some food. So yeah, man, I'm still learning how to drive, but I know how to do it, kind of. But thank you for being on this journey with me, and we're gonna go eat now, so talk to you in a bit. We are currently at Dune Brothers. Got some fish and chips. Eddie Johnson. I got some fish and chips too. But yeah, we had a pretty long day. I had a long day. I was practicing driving. Driving at Twin River actually. So I didn't really vlog over there. So yeah. Stalled out a little bit, but I got the hang of it. But I'm not driving back home because I'm not ready yet. But I have like David driving back. I just want to thank y'all for coming. Thank you. Cheers. Johnson, cheers. Thank you. Oh shit. Hold on, I need my mask. Oh, Jesus. Okay. How is it? Good?
It's hot.
Thank you for coming. Cheers, cheers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yo, that looks fire.
Yeah.
You didn't eat it yet?
No, I was waiting for everybody.
Drive home?
You drive home then.
I'm gonna drive home. Hot.
Okay. But I think we're just gonna eat and then go back home in a bit. So maybe do some rollers and then I'll maybe talk a little bit more about the car in the next video. So thanks for watching. See you later. Yeah, it's your boy Johnson.
What a seat! How you like this? We were waiting for it. We knew what happened. I need to go in there and win a couple hands. So I'm positive. And I'll buy
Yeah, win a couple hands, you buy us all a lobster roll. Buy us all a lobster roll when you can. Yeah, you wanna play?
a little bit.
Stop it. You don't need to. Bro, you broke. You gotta go more broke.